Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord error 3002 when your microphone is not working. First, we will check microphone permissions. On Windows, click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, make sure apps are allowed to use your microphone. Scroll down and confirm that desktop apps have microphone access enabled. Next, we will check the sound input device. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Speak into the mic and see if the input level moves. If you see activity, the microphone is working in Windows. Now open Discord. Click the gear icon to open User Settings. Go to Voice and Video. At the top, find the Input Device option and select the same microphone you selected in Windows. Avoid using default if possible and choose the exact device. Scroll down and look for Push to Talk. If it is enabled, turn it off and switch to Voice Activity. Push to Talk can stop your mic from working if the key is not pressed. If the mic still does not work, go to Debugging at the top of the Voice and Video page. Click Reset Voice Settings and confirm. This will reset all audio settings in Discord. If the problem continues, check your microphone drivers. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Find your microphone, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. After these steps, restart Discord and test your microphone again. These steps should fix microphone not working issues and Discord error 3002. Thanks for watching.